in Melbourne, Australia, with a rare condition called tetra amelia syndrome, meaning he was born without arms and legs. His parents, Boris and Dushka, were heartbroken when they first saw him, not knowing how their son would live a normal life. As a child, Nick faced many struggles. He couldn't play like other kids, and he often felt lonely and different. At school, he was bullied because of his appearance. By the age of 8, he felt deeply sad, and at 10 years old, he even tried to end his life because he thought he had no purpose. But something powerful changed inside him. Nick realized that life's purpose isn't about what you don't have. It's about what you can give. He started to look at what he could do instead of what he couldn't. He learned to write using his toes, type on a computer, swim, skate, and even play football in his own way. When he was 17 years old, he gave his first motivational speech, and it changed his life forever. People cried, laughed, and felt hope after hearing him. That's when Nick decided to dedicate his life to inspiring others. He founded a nonprofit organization called Life Without Limbs, which helps people around the world to believe in themselves, no matter their struggles. He has since spoken in over 70 countries, met millions of people, and written best-selling books such as Life Without Limits, Stand Strong and Unstoppable. Nick married Kanai Miyahara in 2012, and together they have 4 children. His story proves that disability is not the end of ability. It's a different kind of strength. A message of the story Nick Vujicic's life teaches us that, no matter how impossible things may seem, faith, courage, and gratitude can help us overcome anything. He turned his pain into power and now helps millions find hope again.